Tampa Bay. You know, this might be the strangest car you will see driving around the Tampa Bay area.
It's something. The Now's Nicole Grigg talked to the St. Pete man who figured out how to make this even when the car industry couldn't, and why it's so needed.
What looks like a Prius from the front is anything but from the back.
The truck bed's getting dirty.
For Ruud Hartog, it started off as a bet with a Toyota car dealer.
And so we got talking about it. He says, I don't think you want to do that. I say, yeah, I think I can do that.
And sure enough,
ta-da!
He took off the hatchback himself, and with 5.5 months of designing and transforming, you have the Prius truck. Its nickname, the Pruck.
We also have another 2012 Prius. So you can't say, hey, I'm going out in the Prius. So now we have the Prius and the Pruck.
Didn't spend much on it?
$5,300 is what this thing costs. Includes the truck, which was $800.
So, of course, we have to take it for a spin.
Starts up.
It wasn't just sheer amusement to do this, though. Ruud helps veterans with a local nonprofit move furniture and appliances.
You'd have a hard time getting a couch or a washer or a dryer in a regular hatchback.
His unique Prius sometimes slows him down.
I just go in to get a hot dog or an iced tea, and it takes me half an hour to get out of there to answer questions and things like that.
Ruud says he follows the industry closely, and the only place a Prius truck exists right now is in Australia. For the Now, I'm Nicole Grigg.